You just felt it, didn't you? That phantom vibration in your pocket. The urge to check a notification even while you're trying to listen to me. That's the rush. Before you walk any further into your life, there's something you need to understand. The world is going to rush you. It will speak in urgency. It will frame everything as immediate. It will make you feel like if you don't respond right now, you'll fall behind. Most people believe that, and it costs them years. They think speed is control. It isn't. Control comes from choosing when you respond. Urgency feels powerful. It isn't. Most of that power is illusion. A match burns brightest right before it goes out. That's what urgency does to people. Once you learn to carry pressure without reacting, the next skill matters even more. Creating distance. Between what happens to you and what you do about it, there is a space. That space is where judgment lives. People who never learn this answer too fast. They agree before they've thought. They explain when silence would serve them better. They give away tomorrow just to make today quieter. That doesn't mean they're weak. It means they were never taught this. Think about this. That text you feel pressured to answer. That decision someone wants today. That conversation you're being pushed to have before you're ready. It can wait. Here's something to try. Next time your phone pings, look at it. Acknowledge it. Then put it face down for 5 minutes. Prove to yourself the world didn't end. Or the next time someone pushes you for an answer, say, "I need to think about that." And stop talking. Here's the difference most people miss. People who master the pause don't just make better decisions. They become harder to move. Emotion is loud, urgency is persuasive. But neither one should be in charge. When you slow your response, you aren't avoiding responsibility. You're taking it. You don't need to fill every silence. You don't need to solve every problem immediately. And you should never, ever make a commitment while the pressure is still warm. Because decisions made under heat almost always cost more later. Pressure fades. And what remains? That's what's real. That's what deserves your action. This is how lives stabilize. Not through big moves. Not through force. But through fewer mistakes made in moments of urgency. The people who do well long-term aren't the fastest or the loudest. They're the ones who learned how to pause, think, and choose their moment. That pause isn't hesitation. It's authority. That is the long game. Play it well.